Good afternoon, goal setters and dream builders. What if I told you the reason why money isn't coming into your life isn't because you are lazy, unmotivated, and not working hard enough, but because you are working from the wrong energy? Many people think and believe that abundance responds to force alone. But the truth most people don't know is that you can work hard non-stop and still block abundance if your effort is fueled by fear, lack, and pressure. In this video, I'm going to show you three specific things that you might be unknowingly blocking abundance, even if you are doing everything right. And I will give you a simple awareness shift that will help you stop chasing and start attracting. So stay with me because this might completely shift the way you relate to money. What abundance really is. Abundance is not something you go and get. It is a natural outcome of remembering who you really are. When you chase money, success, energy, what you really saying to yourself from your energy is that I don't have it, I'm behind, I'm missing something. The frequency of lack is the real block. Think about it. You don't chase air, you don't chase your breath, you don't chase your name because you allow what already belongs to you. Awareness works in the same way. The more you chase with panic, urgency, fear, the more you confirm the belief that abundance is outside of you. Let us break down the three biggest abundance blocks that I see over and over again. Block one, scarcity hustle. This one looks productive from the outside, but destructive from inside. It often shows up as consistently checking your bank account, panic working instead of purposeful action, believing if I slow down, everything will collapse. The hidden message you are sending to yourself is there isn't enough. I must hustle to survive. So your nerve system is always in survival mode, and abundance doesn't flow to survival energy, it flows to safety and trust. Second block, the identity mismatch. This one is subtle but powerful. You say you want wealth, freedom, and overflow, but you deep inside, you consistently show up as someone who struggle, someone who always has to fight, someone who you believe that someone who never quits gets ahead. Here is the truth. You can never outperform your own self image. You may attract opportunities, but your subconscious will sabotage, delay, shrink just to stay consistent with what you believe you are. So abundance follows identity, not desire. Block three, the subconscious proof loop. Your brain is not neutral, is a pattern recognition machine. Through something called reticular activation system, your brain will scan reality of evidence of what you think you are. If you believe money is hard to get, nothing works for me, and always I miss my chance, your brain will filter reality to prove that reality, that belief. See opportunities because your brain isn't looking for them. We see confirmation of struggle instead. You don't see possibility, you see what is familiar. Moving into awareness. Here is something that changes everything. So you don't fix abundance by forcing positive thinking. You dissolve it through awareness. I use a method that is called notice, name, and nest. First, notice. You notice how you're feeling: anxiety, pressure, desperation. Awareness begins the moment you observe instead of reacting. Second, name. Give it a name, give it a language. Call it scarcity hustle, identity mismatch, or you can call it my subconscious. This is my subconscious proof loop talking. Naming creates distance, and distance creates choice. Three, nest. This is the most important. Notice the thought. Do not fight it. Don't shame it. Do not rush to replace it. Let it sit. Breathe. Let it sit in awareness. When a thought is fully seen, loses its grip. Struggle dissolves when it's no longer resisted. In this space, clarity returns, calm returns, aligned action become obvious. Now that you know what has been blocking abundance, in the next video, I'm going to share exactly the morning routine that I use to reprogram my mind so I'm not chasing outcomes, I'm actually aligning with them. This routine normally takes less than 15 minutes and really transform how you show up in your energy. So before you go, I want to hear from you. Which of the three blocks resonated with you? The scarcity hustle, the identity mismatch, or the subconscious proflow? Drop it in the comment. Awareness is the first step. Alignment is next. And abundance respond to both.